Why are we so far? This is better. Hi guys. Hello. Welcome back to Cute Kid Cooking.
I didn't know how like this.
She already licked that. So
I'm the cute kid.
he is, and we are baking.
And they're cooking.
I didn't wait.
Do you know what we're making today?
I think so.
We need a new one anyway because you've already licked it.
What are you making?
What are you making today? Do you know?
you
We are making,
cakes.
yeah, ding dong cakes.
Ding dong cakes.
So we've already gone ahead and made the chocolate cake.
I ate this, but it wasn't really good.
The cream cheese. So you just take a regular box of chocolate cake,
We did.
and then we're supposed to cut it in half, but we were lazy and just did two separate little cakes. Okay, you talk to them for a minute.
We didn't vlog until we did the cake.
Yeah, we figured you didn't need to see us making box cake because you know how to do that. Now we're gonna make the icing that goes in the middle, like a good hostess ding dong. All right, so we have 3 cups of powdered sugar.
I ate this, but it wasn't.
Yeah, now we need the cream cheese softened. It's been sitting to get soft, so stick her in there.
Except that. Really hard to pour that.
Yeah, and now we need 1 stick of softened margarine. Now we gotta go mix it. Hand mixer time.
Hand mixer.
Okay? After we mix it all up nice, we're gonna add a thing of Cool Whip. Not a sponsor.
And it had a strawberry on it.
It has some strawberry on it. Alright.
Because it's for strawberry.
And when you
Are you
finish
ready?
it, you can clean it out and use it for your leftovers.
That's exactly right.
And it has a strawberry on it because it's for strawberry.
Okay, so let's go and make some icing.
And elderly people. I'm just kidding. I'm smarter
Do
than that.
this thing, Dad.
What are you doing?
Hold the idea so we don't put it out.
Okay. It seems like it should have vanilla or something in it.
Mom?
Yeah?
Does he just make that?
Can I have a spoon or something?
Is that enough?
Can you have a spoon or something?
Wait, it doesn't have vanilla or anything?
No, I know. Should we add some?
I don't know. It should have something wet. Oh,
I know. Doesn't it need? I guess the Cool Whip will help, but you found this recipe, so we'll see. It seems so sweet, like, and easy. I'm worried. We'll see what happens. Spoonful of sugar. Thanks for getting the Disney in there, girl. Appreciate it. All right.
Whip, whip, whip. Whip, whip. Whip, whip,
The
whip.
running gag,
Whip,
apparently.
whip, whip, whip.
what?
Yeah,
ready?
baby. Whip.
Add the Cool Whip. Look how beautiful that looks. We added some vanilla to the mix, whether we should have or not. But I tried.
Eat this.
I tried it and that tasted fine.
Never go.
Oh boy, did I see
What?
your hair? I'm gonna piece of Emma. Cool up hair now. All right, Emma, you wanna make that happen?
Go
Emma, come here.
again,
Yeah, this is good. Now do it to him. Get some and do it to him.
I didn't do it. I do it to Mom.
Tastes good too. No, you can lick it. All right,
There you go. Now you have.
leftover.
Top
All right, Emma, why don't you do this?
I ate it in their face.
Why don't you start mixing this? You can do it. It's not hard. Wow, this is a ton of icing.
I clean my nose.
This seems disproportionate to the cake.
We need to clean our nose. I need to clean my nose.
You sure need to clean your nose. Emma, do you want to stir this?
like a baby bird.
Mommy, I will.
You're eating Cool Whip off my nose.
Just lick her nose.
Oh dear. Can you stir
Whoa.
this for me? I know, look how huge it is. boy.
One time, I still have. That in your muscles.
It's not that
I
strong.
don't have any muscles, but thank you.
Oh yeah, you definitely have cool up here. Can I see?
Cool of her.
You got cool up on your arm. And then your hair. Ew. And you got it on dad.
Mommy, that
I
was.
might be powder sugar.
Let's powder sugar.
Mommy, that was
Of
weird
what?
how we put in to whip on our noses.
Yeah, that was weird. Alright, Dad, you want to show the camera? Camera eats first.
Come on.
Marshmallowy goodness.
Yeah, that looks
There's
good.
no marshmallows.
No, no marshmallows.
Do it. Do it. Guys, I'm going to show you my bit side.
Okay.
Whip. Whip, 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 whip. Let's go to the rock and roll. Oh, whip. Whip, 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 whip.
They can't see you. Alright, anyway.
Whip, whip,
We're going
whip.
to put this in between the cakes.
Mom.
I mean, I don't know if you put the whole thing in, but put as much as you can.
Mommy, I do the whips.
Oh boy, okay. It's kind of runny. It seems.
Yeah, but you do the whip with me. Mom.
Yes.
Mom,
I feel like you're maybe not invested in this, Emma. We're gonna have a lot of leftover icing, I feel like.
Should we?
I would, yeah, spread it.
Well, it's when you put the cake on it, right?
Yeah, maybe.
It's gonna.
Yeah, okay, you're right.
You do it.
Yeah, I feel good about your choices.
I love the whip. Do the whip dance.
This way or this?
Yeah, I would do it. Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh,
Never
son.
feel. And never gonna feel. Yeah.
Wait, what are you doing? Put it inside?
Huh?
What? Okay, okay.
Whip aside.
I was like,
So whip
what?
aside.
Woo.
I will never feel.
Okay, it's chaos, but this looks lovely.
I wonder if you can get it in there.
I have piping bags.
Okay.
Emma's still whipping. We're still whipping. We even pulled out some
Mommy.
piping bags, man. This is getting serious.
Do it. Never do the whip again. Do it.
Original song by Emma.
Do
Do not steal.
Do it.
A Dole Whip. Oh, now we're talking.
Do it.
A Joe whip?
Do it. Do it.
Grandpa Joe.
Was a worthless old man. He could walk all along. Just waiting for that golden ticket to come his way. Hey, let's pipe it right into your face. I think we are, though. Was it good? Emma approved? Uh-oh. Casualty. So she's lost interest, which means this is the cute kid cooking.
Mommy.
He's wearing his hat like the kid.
Ugly old man.
I think he's cute, and there you go.
I am somebody's kid.
You are somebody's kid. So, all right. Jar of chocolate icing. And then 2 tablespoons of milk.
Mommy, here's your golden spoon.
Thanks, bud. Yeah, we're going to get high on icing. That's all right. Okay.
Mommy.
And then we'll, yeah.
Mommy, we
Yeah.
need to try it out. Mom, can we
Yeah.
try to take out and then pretend we're gonna have a picnic inside? Mom,
I think we have to put the cake into the refrigerator before we eat it to get it all nice and firm.
Mom, let's go.
All right, you go. Daddy's going to keep doing what
Mom,
he's doing.
what if we have a picnic inside?
What a brilliant idea.
What if we had a picnic outside?
Ew, no, gross. Allergies. All right. Goodbye. All right. So, shouldn't you do like one little, well, I don't know, it's pretty smooth. Maybe you could just drizzle it. I was going to say one little layer for crumbs and then,
I don't know how.
yeah, it's pretty smooth. I would say just go.
If you want to view paradise, simply look around and view it. It's like Willy Wonka, in case you didn't know.
Yeah, well, we've got a Willy Wonka thing going
Willy
on
Wonka,
here.
because it's chocolate cake.
Mm. Awesome.
Mom,
And then we just,
I did it!
Pour it.
Mommy.
yeah, you're right. This is not you, Emma.
What?
Mommy, not
Does not look like icing.
It doesn't look like a nut.
I know, right?
Well, I got another whole container just in case. I don't know. Yeah, it doesn't seem like it'll be enough to go over all the sides and stuff.
No.
You want me to pour it in the middle and then you just keep spreading it out, or what's your
Daddy,
plan?
do you
Or
want
on the
some?
sides, I don't know.
Daddy, do you want some?
Oh yeah, I'm enjoying
You mean the thing that you got mad at me for?
Yeah.
Yep. The camera didn't know that, but she
Got mad at me for trying to
She got real minded.
dip a
Oh, whoops, I lost them.
pentagram
In
in
her
that icing.
extra icing. She thought you were just gonna pour them all in there, I think.
Yeah. Well, what's
I know.
maybe just let it drip over the sides.
Okay.
I don't
Gravity.
know.
Mommy, I did it.
Is it good?
Gravity.
Teddy Grahams and icing is good.
Define gravity.
Emma does look wicked right now. Yeah, we'll just let gravity in our own health.
In our own health.
Health. This is not for our health, that's for sure. Alright, let me do the other side that I've
What do you mean this is the cure for diabetes?
Yes! We found it. To give you diabetes.
Yeah. You get diabetes if you eat this cake.
Alright,
There it is.
here it is, sir.
Oh, hold on, over the cake.
It looks like a cake that I think is going to be delicious. All right, well done. Good idea. You pushed for this cake. I think it's going to be a success. Now let's put it in. Hi.
Yeah.
Oh, thanks.
We need it.
Oh, yeah, sure. I'll also do a little bit of a this. Yeah, okay. Now we're talking. All right. Yum. We did it. Success. Put it in the fridge. All right. It's time to eat cake. Daddy, will you do the honors? I don't know. Find a good knife for it. Oh, you're growing. You're getting too big to be held like these.
Yeah,
Oh, here we go.
Mama,
Yeah, I'm gonna. You're falling, aren't you?
put me down.
Okay.
Like
Sorry.
this.
Sorry, vlog. Oh yeah,
Make a
baby.
piece you want.
Not super big.
Get bigger.
No, that's great. Yummy cake, yummy cake. All right, let's see it. Did it get harder or not really?
Not really, I don't think.
I'm excited. Oh, look at that. Perfecto.
Yeah, baby.
Yes. Hooray.
Mama.
Can't wait to try it. Emma, are we going to try this cake?
Yep.
Oh, here we are.
It's gonna be.
All right, here she goes. Is it good? Yummy? Is it good, ballerina? All right, so it's been a whole day waiting for this cake. Emma says it's good. I'm sure she is right. Daddy, do you want to take a bite? See how it is?
And then you take a bite.
They don't want to see me take a bite. But this is Daddy's dream cake, so.
It's good.
All right.
Wait, what about me and Daddy?
Oh, you want a bite again of yours? Sounds good.
Dink. Dink.
Good stuff. All right, team. Thanks for joining us for Ding Dong Cake. It's been a good adventure in the kitchen. Emma brought some Disney, so Disney is just a dream away.
Mom.
An adventure was certainly out there.
Mommy, I got a brown trend.
Yes, this requires milk for sure. So that has been another cute kid cooking for quarantine.
Watch my Daddy. Watch my a genie move.
You have a genie move?
That's it.
Okay, impressive. Do all those things you usually do. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and hit the notification bell so you know when new videos come out. We have put them as kids videos, so you can't comment down below. But if you want to interact with us, we're on Facebook at Just Dream Away 1971.
You
We're
need
at
to
Twitter,
watch
Just
the
Dream
cute
Away 1,
videos.
and Instagram, Just Dream Away Sarah.
You need to watch cute videos.
Our cute videos. Please watch them, and we appreciate all the views, even if they're slight. They mean a lot to us. And let's be real, this is so our family members can see Emma growing up. So,
Beauty.
all right. So on that note, stop. Oh no, Damien. Oh, she thinks the name Damien's hilarious. All right, so have fun in your own little corner of quarantine, and we'll see you for another adventure later. Okay, bye.